If you look at this card, you can see a figure wrapped in a black cloak. They are bowing their head, looking down at the ground with sadness. In front of them are five golden cups. Three cups have fallen over, and the liquid inside is spilled on the grass. This represents loss, disappointment, and regret. It shows focusing on what has gone wrong or what you have lost. The cups represent the element of water. This symbolizes deep emotions and grief. However, behind the figure, two cups are still standing upright. This represents hope and the good things that still remain. The figure is so focused on the spilled cups that they do not see the ones behind them. In the background, there is a bridge over a river leading to a castle. The bridge symbolizes moving from the past to the future. The castle represents safety, home, and emotional security. Overall, this card represents sadness, regret, and the need to shift your perspective. If upright, no or focus on the past. If reversed, yes or healing. Career business studies. If upright, it shows a project that didn't work out or a missed opportunity. In your career, it can mean feeling stuck on a mistake or a failed deal. It shows a time of disappointment or feeling like things did not go as planned. If you are planning to change jobs, it suggests you are still upset about your current situation. If you are looking for a job, it shows feeling discouraged by past rejections. In business, it shows a loss or a contract that fell through. In studies, it shows being upset over a bad grade or a failed exam. If reversed, it shows starting again and moving forward. In your career, it means accepting a setback and finding a new way forward. If you are planning to change jobs, it suggests you are ready to let go of the past. If you are looking for a job, it shows new hope and a more positive mindset. In business, it shows recovering from a loss and finding stability again. In studies, it shows learning from mistakes and moving toward improvement. In love relationship breakup, if upright, it shows heartbreak, sadness, or focusing on problems in a relationship. In a relationship, it shows one person feeling sad about how the relationship has changed. It represents feeling lonely even when you are not alone. If you are going through a breakup, it shows deep sadness and not letting go. You may be ignoring the love and support from friends and family. If reversed, it shows emotional healing and moving on from sadness. In a relationship, it can mean forgiving each other and focusing on the future. It represents letting go of past pain and opening your heart again. In a breakup, it shows the moment you decide to move on and feel better again. Health. If upright, it shows emotional stress or sadness affecting your health. It can show feeling tired or low on energy. Recovery feels difficult because your mind is focused on pain. If reversed, it shows emotional strength returning and a more positive mindset. It can also show finding peace after a long period of stress. General guidance. If upright, it is okay to feel sad, but don't forget what you still have. Don't let the past stop you from seeing the good in the present. If reversed, the difficult time is ending. It is time to move forward and focus on better things. So, the Five of Cups represents a shift in focus. It shows that even though there is loss, life still continues and hope is still there. It brings a lesson in feeling sadness, accepting it, and finding the strength to move forward.